Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which has got a bit of grey on it from a previous pour, but as far as I'm concerned it's quite alright. I'm going to do a ring pour, and I have black, white, gold and one called red apple, or apple red. And it's very bright red. I really like it, and it goes nicely with the gold. So I'm just going to give these paints a bit of a spray, red and gold. And what I'm using is this, what is it, 3-in-1 silicone lubricant spray. So I got that at one of the auto shops. So I would rather have a fair bit of white, which I like, and black of course, gold, and then I'm going to have more white and red, white, oops, oh well, there you go. Okay, so I'm just going to, I think I'll just pour it out. Oh no, let's do a wiggle. See what we get. Quite pretty. Got most of the paint out. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a twirl around, because I might do yet another smaller ring pour into the centre with just the black and white. See how that goes, which is what I think I will do, because I've got rather a lot of, you can come over the edge, I have rather a lot of mixed colours which I didn't anticipate. Over you go. Not all that exciting, is it? Well, I'll use the same cup, and we'll have black and white all the way through and see how we go. Right, that should do it. And here's hoping we get something. Not overly impressed, I have to say. So, to have a little think here. Gold and some red. I've got a fair idea what I'm going to do here. Have we got any more white? Not much white. Alright, might be a smidgen. Not even that, I don't think. Here we go. Okay. So do this. Then bring it around a little bit. Now, where are you? Well, that might do. We'll just see how this goes. Right, not looking too bad. I want a little bit of gold in the centre here. And then I will, when I put it, there it is, start again. Go through these middle bits. And I think I'll tilt it. I've got rather a lot of paint on here and should be able to get some nice patterns now. There we go. Bringing it down to about there and then back over into that corner. Back to the centre. It's moving ever so slowly. Bit like me really today. Okay, you'll do. You're very good. And I like it. Oops. I like it very much. Just dabble on the corners. I think they're all good. And I'm going to wipe my hands and give this one a torch. See what we have. Really rather good. cells here, that's rather nice, and some red here. They're only small, but that's cool because I rather like this. And yeah, I'm just thinking, can I wiggle or waggle, but you know, I don't know that it really needs too much. I might just bring this one up, that one down. Bring this one around. Yes, I think that's pretty much it. That's really good. Alright, so I'll bring you down to have a look. The recipe for the pouring medium and the paints is down below the video under Show More. A link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. And this is really pretty. I like this corner here, or side. Yeah, we'd like to have your company over at Australia Art Dreaming. And I hope you like this one. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. And please give it the thumbs up. I appreciate that. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.